Introducing the Advanced Witness Series AWS-30050-LC torque tester from Flexible Assembly Systems. This cutting-edge torque tester combines state-of-the-art technology with user-friendly features to meet the rigorous demands of today's production facilities. With its bidirectional accuracy of 0.5% of the indicated reading, the AWS-30050-LC ensures precise and reliable torque measurements, giving you confidence in your testing results. Covering a torque range of 5 to 50 AWS/in, this versatile tool can accommodate a wide variety of applications, making it an indispensable tool for various industries. The AWS-30050-LC offers 3 modes of operation: track, peak, and first peak, providing flexibility to cater to different testing requirements. The tester's memory scroll allows for data storage of up to 999 readings, enabling convenient access to historical data and analysis. Designed with simplicity in mind, the AWS-30050-LC features a single-step access to all functions, ensuring an intuitive and efficient testing experience. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS-30050-LC torque tester. Its exceptional accuracy, versatile range, and user-friendly features make it an indispensable tool for production facilities seeking reliable and efficient testing solutions. Invest in the AWS-30050-LC and experience the future of torque testing.